Hey everyone, today we are taking a close look at T-Mobile in 2026. Is it really the best option or are there better choices? Let's find out in this quick honest review. Network coverage. T-Mobile has improved its coverage a lot every single year. Their 5G network is fast and widespread in most urban areas, but in some rural spots it can still lag behind Verizon. If you live in a city, T-Mobile is fantastic, but for more remote areas, it might not be your top pick. Pricing and plans. When it comes to pricing, T-Mobile is generally affordable, especially their unlimited plans. They include perks like Netflix, international roaming, and free hotspot data, which gives you good value. But if you are looking for the absolute cheapest plan, smaller carriers might beat them. Customer service. T-Mobile's customer service has improved, but it is a mixed bag. Online support is quick, but phone support can still be hit or miss. Overall, better than the most, but not perfect. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent 5G speed in cities, affordable plans with extra perks, good for families with shared plans. Cons: coverage can be spotty in rural areas, customer service isn't always consistent. Bottom line: T-Mobile is great for urban areas or urban users and value seekers, but if you need nationwide rural coverage, Verizon or AT&T might serve you better. So is T-Mobile the best in 2026? It depends on where you live and what you need. Personally, for city dwellers and those looking for extras, it is top tier, and for others, maybe not. If you find this review helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.